A group of student athletes from Transylvania University spent the day collecting donations for hurricane relief. The Transy field hockey team had a table set up to take in donations such as food and hygiene items. Anyone passing by was also encouraged to write positive notes to be sent to people recovering from Helene's aftermath. The two-day drive has ended. The idea came from Ava Weissman, whose home church did a similar hurricane relief drive.
It's been so inspiring for our whole team to see everybody on campus that's willing to help us and to participate in the donation. It's just really great to see so many people helping those that have been affected and really wanting to make a difference in the world.
The donations will be combined with those from other Lexington drives so they can get where they need to go.